Today I went to a Tibetan shopping mall in Xining, also known as Silong, and I want to show you what I got for a total of around $100. Look at all of this. And yes, I was certain to purchase from Tibetan artisans because I firmly believe that if you want to buy indigenous things, you should buy it from indigenous makers. So let's go through what I got. I got this super cool copper and brown jacket, this silk blouse that makes me feel like a mermaid. These earrings, yes, I know they're costume jewelry. I don't care, they're beautiful. These two chupa ornaments, a simple side ornament and a chain. The first three King Gesar graphic novels, and yes, they are in Tibetan. The super cool umbrella that has the 8 auspicious signs on it. They had other designs and colors too. And this amazing kamba half chupa with this like rainbow embroidery. This entire haul came to about $100, possibly less. And was purchased exclusively from Tibetan shops. And yes, I did get the contact information of the sellers so that hopefully we can help them sell worldwide.